drsalnega kluba Labud Bled.
The minute you walked in the door, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. Said, would you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't have my heart for every guy I see. Big spender. Wouldn't you like to have fun, fun, fun? How's about a few laughs, laughs? I can shut you up. Good time, let me shut